Hey guys, welcome back to another video. How are you all doing today? So guys, we are going to be doing unboxing. I just received my face cream from Amazon, and yeah, so I'm going to be showing you guys what I use. This is the cream, this is the face cleanser. I ordered, I think, about 2 to 3 face cleanser. Yeah, you can see this is a moisturizer, and I have my vitamin C, and yeah, so this is all that I ordered. This is what I use on my face. As at then I unboxed this video. So for now I've changed as well. So me, I don't use one cream, I use a lot of cream. So I'm still using this face cleanser though, but I've changed. I'm still using this face cream as well, but I have changed to another toner. I've changed to another clean toner, yeah, face toner and face moisturizer. Okay, all right guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to leave me a comment and ask any question that you want to know about if you need any face cream that is good for your face, if you need any face toner, if you need anything about cream, just send me this, just write me and I'm going to give you a answer. Okay, all right, see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.